Building quality furniture that easily disassembles is a great solution for an on-the-go lifestyle. But drilling for cross-dowel joints can be a frustrating and tedious pursuit. The universal cross-dowel jig solves this problem by perfectly aligning the cross-dowel and bolt holes on the same center line. Plus, drilling is quick and dead-on precise with the stainless steel bushings, which are adjustable along the laser engraved scales. The universal cross-dowel jig is truly universal, accommodating most cross-dowel sizes on the market, from tiny 1024s up to massive 3/8 inch 16 TPI versions, made for workbench leg stretchers. And since the dowel and bolt hole positions are adjustable, there are many joint style possibilities, like drilling a stopped hole for a blind joint. So start building custom knockdown furniture with the universal cross-dowel jig.
I use the impact tough bits for everything.
Oh, the bit it works really good.
I don't know what they're made of, but they're working great.
These impact tough bits are probably the best bits I've worked with so far.
The drill bits with that impact, you don't get a tight grip and then you're jerking. It's a smooth, it's kind of chipping away as it goes down. It's a good system.
Even if it's a heavy gauge metal, it works really good.
Well, a bad bit, it skips and it skims across the surface if you're working with sheet metal. They'll end up falling out of your drill bit motor. It's just a nightmare.
There's many types of screws in the industry, whether it was zinc, drywall, a deck screw of any kind. This tip did not break, it did not strip its screws, and fit everything precisely.
This really surprised me because of how skinny it is. I thought it was really going to snap.
Especially when you're drilling a 3-inch screw and you have a lot of torque on that thing. You hit something, that bit breaks off, then you're screwed. You have to go get another one.
A lot of times the bits, you get them in there and then they'll, especially impact, they'll bounce out sometimes and you end up stripping that bit. And these bits don't do that.
The impact tough bit is the most durable bit I've ever used. It lasts the longest, it holds the screw better, and it looks pretty good too.
The skinny little Bosch bit that doesn't break.
The Craig Mobile Project Center combines the portability you want with the versatility you need. It's a workbench, sawhorse, clamping station, assembly table, and more, all in one. So you can work on projects whenever, wherever, and however you need to. Setting up the Mobile Project Center is easy. Just open the legs, then pull the tables up and they automatically lock into place to create a big 27 3/4 inch by 31 1/2 inch surface. There's also a shelf underneath that can hold 25 pounds worth of tools and project supplies, close at hand, but out of the way. A heavy-gauge steel base and reinforced polypropylene table construction gives the Mobile Project Center 350-pound capacity on top of those tables, so you can easily work on pieces large and small at a convenient height from all sides. The tables feature recessed trays that can hold hardware, small parts, and other supplies, and are equipped with a pair of handy drill holsters. Holes in the tabletop also accept the 4 included bench dogs. The Mobile Project Center provides much more than just a work surface, though. It also allows you to securely hold your projects in place while you work. A thick aluminum track between the tables accepts the included Craig bench clamp. Slip the clamp into the track and you have a powerful, versatile hold-down system that can slide and rotate to meet your needs. The bench clamp is equipped with Craig Automax technology that adjusts the clamp automatically to match your material, whether it's thick, thin, or in between. The Mobile Project Center also gives you the clamping capability of a bench vise by placing the bench clamp into one of the keyhole slots on each end of the track. In this position, you can easily clamp boards or other workpieces in place vertically, or clamp them by using the bench clamp together with the included bench.
Ready to go brushless? Introducing the new Ryobi ONE+ 18-volt brushless hammer drill driver. Get up to 50% more runtime from the energy-efficient brushless motor, and up to 25% better performance, delivering 750 inch-pounds of torque. Brushless motors use less wearable parts, extending the tool life and making the drill 25% more compact. Unlike other brushless hammer drills, this drill is packed with all the pro features you expect from Ryobi. Drill, drive, and hammer modes. Half-inch all-metal keyless chuck. Trigger-activated LED with delay feature. Belt clip, mag tray, and get more done before recharging with a 4-amp-hour battery. It's the only pro-featured brushless hammer drill at an affordable rate.
Paraline Featherboard's innovative design allows quick and easy parallel height setting while staying securely positioned in one place. They include hardware to mount to a 1/4-inch T-slot or to a miter track. To set your Paraline Featherboards, place them against your work and slide the workpiece back to the setup finger. Lock them in place and you're ready to go. They are set with uniform pressure across all the fingers. To mount your Paraline Featherboards to a miter slot, install the miter bar and place them in your miter track. By tightening the clamping knobs, the miter bar expands, locking your featherboard securely in position on the in-feed and out-feed side. Now slide the featherboard so the setup finger is against your workpiece and lock in position. Your workpiece is now held securely against the fence and table. Paraline featherboards are reversible to suit the direction of feed, and the mounting bracket can be reversed to allow greater range of adjustment. They can even be stacked for greater control. Bring a whole new level of safety, precision, and convenience to your routing with Paraline featherboards.